In today's video, I'm going to teach you fix AutoCAD block not showing in paper space. If you can see a block in model space, but it disappears in paper space or when you plot, the issue is usually tied to the block's object properties and its layer settings. I'll walk you through a quick, reliable way to correct both, so your block displays and prints as expected. First, open the block in the block editor. Type "edit" in the command line and select the block that isn't showing. This opens a focused environment where you can edit the block's components. Inside the block editor, select all parts of the block. You can drag a selection window around everything or press Ctrl+A to be sure you've got it all. Now type "prop" to open the properties palette. Here, change the color to something clearly visible against your layout background. A strong contrast color helps you confirm visibility right away. While you're in Properties, take note of the layer shown for these objects. Remembering this layer name will matter in a moment. When you're done, click Close to exit the block editor and save your changes. Back in your drawing, let's verify the layer settings for that block. Type Layer to open the Layer Properties Manager. Find the layer you just noted from the Properties palette. Select it, then change its color to something that stands out in paper space. This ensures the layer itself isn't making the block blend into your layout. Most importantly, make sure the plot column for that layer is enabled. If the little printer icon is turned off, anything on that layer won't appear when you print or in a plot preview, and it can also seem invisible in paper space depending on display settings. After adjusting the layer color and confirming the plot icon is on, take a quick look back at your layout. Your block should now display properly in paper space and be ready to plot. If you preview a plot, you should see it clearly, thanks to the high contrast color and the layer being set to plot. That's all there is to it. By updating the block's object color inside the block editor and confirming the layer color and plot setting in the Layer Properties Manager, you resolve the two most common reasons a block doesn't show in paper space. And there you go. Simple, fast, and effective.